What's up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you 3 free mint NFT projects that I'm keeping my eye on. And also, I'm going to show you one very interesting project that actually building mobile video game. And I think it has a huge potential and a bright future as long as they're going to be keep building. And I'm not sure if it's actually going to be free mint or not. They haven't announced it, but I'm also going to be keeping my eye on. But before I show you the project, just have to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. So the first project, it's called Inscribable free mint. And at the time of recording this video, they have 8,600 followers, and if we scroll down, as you can see, they're getting decent engagement. But for this type of market, I think they're doing not bad. Not sure exactly how they're gonna do, but at the same time, it's really hard to predict. They could do very well or they could fail, so not sure, but this is the one that I'm gonna keep my eye on, and I'll try to get a whitelist spot. Then the second project, it's called Space Maverick free mint. So this looks like this is gonna be a game, and they even added the hashtag Dota here, and it's going to be incubated by Certify, so they might also have a really good potential. And they haven't decided which one is that going to be, if it's going to be on Ordinals or if it's going to be on Ethereum or maybe any other chain, but it's going to be a free mint. So this is another one I'm keeping my eye on. And if we scroll down, as you can see, they're getting decent engagement, but again, this is looks like due to pre-mint link or maybe one of the requirements that require to enter into a raffle. And then the third project, it's called MANGA Factory, and they already have a Discord, they have a website, and at the time of recording the video, they have almost 27,000 followers, and it's going to be free mint. So if we scroll down, it's getting really good engagement, and most likely this one due to this pre-mint link. And then if we scroll down, they're going to be minting on June 15. So I think it's already too late to get a whitelist spot, but I'm gonna be keeping my eye on just to see. Maybe it's not gonna do very well at the beginning, and maybe it is gonna pick up some steam later on. And then the last project, the bonus project that I think has a huge potential, it's called Jungle. So Jungle, they already have a Discord and they have a website, and at the time of recording this video, they have 13,000 followers, and it's going to be Web3 mobile gaming ecosystem. And if we scroll down, as you can see, they're getting really good engagement on their Twitter post, and it's not just likes, retweet, it's also comments. And if we scroll down more again, same thing for this one as well. So that tells me that audience is actually engaging with their Twitter posts, not just likes and retweets for whitelist spot. And then if we actually go to their website, this is what the website is gonna look like. You can press here, join for fun, and then if we scroll down here a little more, as you can see, this is most likely what their game is gonna look like. Really cool. And then join the waitlist, so you can join the waitlist from here. And then if we scroll down slightly more, right here, you can also apply to be part of their team. So it looks like they have some openings. And then backed by, so there's a lot of different companies. I don't even really know all of them, but at least some of their companies that they're working with. And then right here, you can also join their newsletter. So looks like they're also sending out weekly newsletter or something like that. You can also send them a message, follow them, and they have a LinkedIn profile. So that tells me that this project is actually building something interesting, something cool, and this is not just an advertisement. And most likely this project is gonna do very well, no matter if it's gonna be free mint or if it's gonna be a paid mint. And this is pretty much it. All the projects that I talk about in this video, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. And thanks for watching.